परिणीता,
यस मैम।
अब इसके सरफेस को भी अगर हमें चेंज करना है पीएसआई के, तो मेश जैसे बनाया, लेकिन हम नीचे लोअर बॉर्डर पे मेश नहीं देना चाहते, उसको स्मूथ सरफेस रखना चाहते हैं, ऊपर मेश रखना चाहते हैं।
ओके, अंडरस्टूड। मैम, मेश के लिए एक अलग वॉल्यूम आता है इसका, मिमिक्स का,
तो इस पे
लैटिस।
तो नहीं, तो मेश इसमें नहीं डिजाइन कर पाएंगे?
नहीं मैम, मेश का आई डोंट थिंक यहाँ पे है। लेट मी चेक एक बार, क्योंकि पहले एक ऑप्शन आता था जो मिमिक्स के आई थिंक 20 नहीं, थ्रीमैटिक के 12 या 13 वर्जन तक था। ये वाले वर्जन में है या नहीं, लेट
क्योंकि
मी जस्ट
स्मूथ
चेक।
सरफेस तो नहीं चाहिए होगी हमें पीएसआई डिजाइन करने को।
ओके, तो I've just started sharing share screen. मैं इसी में चेक करती हूँ। एक ऑप्शन आता था
हाँ,
केज करके, so even we had actually told given a feedback from our end कि you should have still kept the cage option. एक लाइक यहाँ पे केज करके ऑप्शन आता था। तो इफ यू स्टिल वांट दैट, आई थिंक आप प्रीवियस कोई भी वर्जन उनका डाउनलोड करोगे, आई लेट यू नो व्हिच वर्जन इट हैज केज ऑप्शन।
हाँ,
So using that, you can use
ओके।
you can convert your surface into a cage, basically.
हम्म।
So right now we use other softwares or freewares that are available to change it into a cage. मतलब इसको आप
ओके,
ये थ्रीमैटिक में आप केज नहीं कन्वर्ट कर पाओगे, बेसिकली इज व्हाट आई मीन।
ओके, ओके। फिर इसके बाद अलग चीज ये थी कि अगर हमें इसमें डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स भी प्लान करने हैं।
हाँ मैम, I am just continuing. This is just one step, and this is
ओके,
a very basic surface. I'm going to show you how you can improve the surface also. This is a
ओके,
very basic surface that we have created. So I'm going to now show you something called a sweep loft and sweep. तो आपने इसको लेके एक बेस surface आपको मिल गया, right? Now what you can do is you can have other options, like if I go to design, there is something called a sweep loft, and extend surface and loft. Sorry, sweep loft and loft. So what these things do is, these are very similar to anatomy reconstruction. You give two entities. इसमें आपको पार्ट्स देने पड़ते हैं, राइट? सो मैं इसको वापस क्या कर रही हूँ, स्प्लिट कर रही हूँ अभी। तो अगर मुझे जो मैं मर्ज किया था उसको स्प्लिट करना हो, so I'm just going to right click onto that and the option is going to be separate shells to parts. So now what I have to do is first check कि मेरे shells कितने हैं। यहाँ पे मेरे 2 shells होने चाहिए, क्योंकि एक मेरा ये मेन शेल हो गया, दूसरा मेरा ये मेन शेल हो गया। So this is one and this is second. I'm going to invert. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा नॉइज रहेगा वो मैं पहले डिलीट कर लूंगी, फिर मैं इसको 2 शेल्स में सेपरेट करूंगी। शेल्स टू पार्ट। तो मेरे 2 शेल्स क्रिएट हो गए। So now I want to loft between these two. Design loft. So I want a surface loft. Basically मुझे इन दोनों के बीच में एक surface connection चाहिए। So let this be my entity 1. It has to be a contour. So a bad contour. So again मेरे contours होंगे ये, दूसरा contour होगा
मैम, ये फिल्टर ऑप्शन कहाँ से है?
ओके, यहीं पे रहेगा आपके कॉर्नर में। तो ओके, आई जस्ट हाईलाइट व्हाट दिस मीन। अगर सपोज कभी कभी कैसे होता है ना, टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इसका इनपुट क्या हो सकता है, आप ये फिल्टर ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट द एंटिटी कैन बी अ कर्व, अ बैड कॉन्टूर और अ सरफेस। तो मैंने फिलहाल इसको 2 अलग पार्ट के सर्फेसिस पे दिया है। तो इफ यू सी द डिटेल इट इज टेकिंग इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क, ये बहुत अंदर से जा रहा है, तो वी कांट यूज लॉफ्ट हियर। सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू weight of the center line आप change कर सकते हैं, but I'm going to still say that it's going to be very similar to the anatomy reconstruction that we attained. So I don't think इसका हमको कुछ फायदा होगा. So what we're going to do is we're going to try other options. We can try sweep. Now sweep, what does sweep require? Again, it requires a sketch grid. Basically हमारा option input sketch हो जाएगा and एक path लगेगा. So sweep loft, sweep का एक similar option है sweep loft. So what it does is it combines the qualities of sweep and sweep loft. I'll show you that. Basically इसमें आपको दो लगेगा, एक start profile, एक end profile. Your profile will always be a sketch, contour, right? Your sweep path will be a curve. This curve you will have to draw from your end, right? This curve has to be an input from your end. इतने देर तक आपका जो वो सेंटर लाइन था या जो कर्व था वो ऑटो जनरेट कर रहा था सॉफ्टवेयर आपके लिए. यहाँ पे यू कैन गिव अ मैनुअल एडिशन. आपको जैसा शेप चाहिए आप वैसा कर्व बना सकते हैं. एंड देन देयर कैन बी इंटरमीडिएट प्रोफाइल्स. तो इंटरमीडिएट प्रोफाइल इज बीच में, अगर जैसे इफ यू सी वी वुड वांट टू गिव यू नो अपना अगर मिरर मैंडिबल देखे तो the mandible is not a perfect semicircle or a perfect curve, right? बीच बीच में उसका shape या shape change होता रहता है. Maybe there is an angle, right? There comes your coronoid process. अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ include करना है तो आप बीच में intermediate profiles दे सकते हैं so that you know the shape will accordingly take the design, right? So let me first do multiple sketches so that we get what we want. तो मेरा सबसे पहला स्केच रहेगा मेरे बेस पर. दैट इज आई एम गोइंग फॉर स्केच. यू गो टू द स्केच ऑप्शन, क्रिएट न्यू. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज अ न्यू ऑप्शन कॉल्ड एज फिट प्लेन टुडे. So and in the fit plane my fitting entity is going to be a surface. So I'm going to filter and select this surface क्योंकि मुझे मेरा स्केच का बॉर्डर ये चाहिए. So I'm going to just apply. राइट मेरा दूसरा एंटिटी रहेगा ये वाला सरफेस. अप्लाई. तो यहाँ पे भी एक स्केच बन गया. अभी इंटरमीडिएट प्रोफाइल्स के लिए मैं क्या करूंगी, आई एम जस्ट गोना क्लोज दिस. Because I want to give this intermediate inputs also. So I'm going to switch on my mirrored mandible. मैं इसको opaque कर लेती हूँ. Right? I'll increase the cell count for my sketch one. अभी मैं इसको डुप्लीकेट कर रही हूँ sketch one को और इसका थोड़ा अलाइनमेंट चेंज कर रही हूँ. So I'm going to select sketch one duplicate. I'm going to move the sketch. I am going to rotate it. So right, if you see, because this is what the angle I would want to give, ये कर्वेचर मुझे ऐसे ही फॉलो करवाना है करके मैंने उसको वैसे एंगल में स्केच को सेट किया है, राइट। तो गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, now what we're going to do is we're going to import our references onto the sketch. Right, so for that we'll go to sketch and import references. So I'll just rename this as my sketch intermediate. For my sketch 1, I'll start with first sketch. I want to have an intersection or a projection. You can select any one. You will have options of projection, intersection, and outline. So let me scroll down and outline. So I would want the outline of my right mandible. So I'm going to select mandible right. I would just want the contour, not the entire mandible. I would want the contour. So I'm just going to filter contour and select half the contour that I would want. So I'm just going to select on this contour. So my outline or intersection, I want contour. I'll click apply. So your sketches can be accessed from the work area section. So in my sketch 1, I have a contour created, right? But I think it's taken some different contours. So let me just hide the mandible mirror. Yeah, it's taken the entire contour. I don't want the entire contour. I just want the section that you would want to recreate. So I'll go to the sketch. So again, when I change my views, you see a different work area for the object tree, or a different object tree is there for sketch specifically. When I click on drop down, everything related to the sketch is visible in this object tree section. So I'm just going to delete these points and reincorporate. So filter, contour. I want a different contour. So I've got this contour here, right? So in my selection, I'm just going to keep my contour as just the section I want to recreate. And my sketcher selection will be sketch 1, apply. Now when I go and check my sketch 1, only the section that is required is coming, right? So going forward for sketch 2, what we will require is my selection is going to be sketch 2. My intersection is going to be the condyle contour. So go here. That is my contour. My sketcher will be sketch 2. Right. So now I'm going to hide these sections or sketches. I'm going to hide these contours as well. I'm going to now start my mandible mirror. So it's just at the nerve. I'm going to just shift it slightly behind. Right. I would want, again, we don't want a tooth section. So I'm just going to create a surface of the region that we would want to incorporate in the sketch. So I will hide my sketch and just see which shape I would want to. So I'm going to use the function trim. I am going to just randomly trim a section out. So you see this is almost there. I'm just going to click apply. So now if I see, I'm just going to erase or remove any other noise shells. This region is irrelevant to me. So I'm deleting all these extra noise shells. Right now I'm going to see my sketch. Yeah. And I'm going to incorporate this as an outline now. So sketch, import references. I want the outline of this mirror. So we have the outline. I would also want the intersection part. So sketch intermediate and the intersection. Apply. So I also have the intersection part of this is the intersection. I don't want the bigger curve, so I'm just deleting that. So now we have 3 different profiles and 3 different sketches. Now the only thing left is to create an intermediate or to create the curve. So I'm going to again merge. For sweep loft, you will require to merge the components. So I'm merging the components here again. I'm going to hide this. And this time I'm going to create a free curve. So I'm going to go to curve, create curve, and free curve option. I'll uncheck attract and attach. From central point here, there a central point there. I want to just. So we've created the basic curve. Now, as for the center line we had adjusted, we'll have to edit this curve. right? Somewhere something similarly. So I'm going to now go to the option of edit curve. So I can change the coordinate system as I want to move. I would want to move it outside. I'm just going to pull it. You can see a pink, a blue line of extra pull. I'm going to apply. Taking some different input. Let me just increase. Have to keep increasing it till you get a perfect shape. I think it's created a closed curve. I'll just recreate the curve because there's some discrepancy happening. Right. Edit. Yeah. So you just have to click on the curve and it'll just then take an input. So what you're seeing is influence distance. What influence distance mean is the path till which it will impact the curve. So I'm just gradually trying to align the curve at different locations. I'm going to do more at this point. Right now, we'll have to get the curve down. to get the angle. So once you're satisfied with the curve, right, I'm just going to change some slightly here. Hit apply, right, and just click apply and cancel. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use design and sweep loft option. So my start profile will be my sketch one, right? But I will have to first recreate this. So I'm going to use create spline option and just trace this border. I'm just tracing all these points that are incorporated. So we have created a line. For again, sketch 2 also we'll have to create a circular aspect. And select close. We have our profiles designed. Now design, sweep loft, sketch 1, sketch 2, and my intermediate profile is my sketch intermediate, and my sweep path is so right now it says that the sweep path must intersect the plane of the selected profile. It's not intersecting the plane. For that, I'll have to check my sketch intermediate. And if you see, my curve is not passing through that. So that means I'll have to shift my curve in such a way that it intersects this part. Let me just cancel this and again work on the curve. Just with that, I'll just pull it out here also. बेसिकली आपका कर्व सारे प्रोफाइल्स के थ्रू पास होना चाहिए. Go to stem curve.
Boss,
Design. So just given the correct inputs. I'm just isolating the curve to see where the problem could be. To separate, to isolate just the curve, I'll just select the curve. I'll go to separate and copy to part, create new. Then I'll just hide this part. Okay, here. Where is my section? So here it is not intersecting the curve. The curve is not intersecting the part. So what I'll do is I'll just go to curve and extend curve, optional choose. Recurve option. Now it passes through this. Similarly, for the upper section, I'll fix it. Let it go. I'm re-importing the sketch 2. Yeah. Right. So let's see if this works now. So design, sweep loft. So it's important that your curve passes through the profiles. Otherwise, it will not take the input correctly. Some error is still coming.